Okay, so I opened up one of our sweetmeat squash that we grew last year and harvested in November. We've never eaten this kind of squash before. It smells like watermelon. I am so excited to try this tonight. And I don't know why we've been waiting so long. Probably just the unfamiliar. But since I wanted a little something different from the Eat for the Pantry challenge, I thought, why not? And this is the bowl of seeds I got. So I have to sort through those and save the best ones and get them in the ground because we need to grow more. I bet this tastes just as good as it smells. We'll find out. Okay, the squash needs to be cooked at 350 degrees for 2.5 hours, but I'm supposed to start checking it after 1.5 hours. It barely fits in the oversized pan. Okay, this is the end result of the sweetmeat squash. It has a cup of brown sugar, about a tablespoon of cinnamon, and about half cup of butter, all smushed up. So that's our side for dinner tonight.